What's up, everybody? Me and Dad's still out here hunting today. Probably been out here an hour or so. Found this here broken one. Would be nice if it had been all there. Creek's still way up, so we're just kind of having to jump from bar to bar up in the high bars and missing a lot. Glad we got out here today. I found this here one earlier. This little tip ding on it. I got y'all back out for a reason. You'll see that down there. Check that out, guys. Let's go wash this off here a little bit. Oh yeah, that's got some nice color to it. Check that out, guys. Can't beat that. That's awesome. Alright, guys. We'll keep on rocking. If anything else, we'll get back with you later.